Hello everyone and welcome back to my origami channel, and I have a great video for you today. I'm gonna be showing you how to fold this $2 pantsuit using two $1 bills. So let's go ahead and get started. And before we start, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button, hit the notification button for videos coming up here in the future, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to start with George face up here, and I'm going to take the bottom edge and I'm going to fold up just right past George's little hairline over here. Going to be folding right about to the edge of his hair, maybe a little bit farther than that. So I'm going to go right up to the edge. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show you. I'm going to go right past his hair right here, and I'm going to go up, probably covering the end of the S. Right about there. I'm going to make a nice firm crease. Just like that. And for our next fold, we're going to go ahead and turn the model over, and we're going to fold these edges to the center. But before we do that, we're going to first fold in half here. Make a nice even fold. Alright, now we're going to open that back up here, and we're going to fold these two edges to the center. Make sure to get as close as possible to that center line. My lighting's a little off from my camera for me to see where the center line is, but try to get it closer. Just like that, so you get both edges are folded in. Alright, now we're gonna get some real firm creases. You could use your fingernail too, whatever works for you. All right. And now for our next crease, we're going to be making a reverse fold across this top up here, making a flap. So I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly kind of on the dollar bill where I do that. So I'm going to be making that fold probably somewhere like right between these two leaves, where these two leaves are, where there's a little bit of green. I'm going to mark it so I can give you a reference point right about there, and that's where I'm going to do my reverse fold. Back right. I'm going to fold that over just like that. Make a nice crease. You can see where I folded it right there, right across. Alright. Alright, now for the next step, we're going to go down to the bottom part here, and we're going to make a fold that's going to go basically from this corner here up to somewhere right about here, about parallel with that green edge right there. And I'm going to mark that to give you a reference point. So I'm going to be folding right from this corner all the way up to about right here. About there. And I'm going to be doing the same on this side. And the way this is folded is you're going to grab this entire point here, and you're just going to fold it over all the way, bringing this edge all the way to the corner there. Just like that. Crease it down, do the same on the other side. to match up with the one on the left there. Alright, and that's what we should have so far. And continuing on, we're going to come out to the top here, and we're going to take these points on the corner here and fold them into the center. And again, I'm going to give you a reference point once again on this one. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here to kind of show you exactly where I fold it down to. So I'm going to be probably somewhere around, let me see, about halfway. If you were to take this flap, it would be like halfway, like right about where that little mark is, and it's going to be the same on that side. That's going to be my reference point to fold this point into the center. And so I'm just going to kind of fold it down just like that, bring it into the center, and bring it right up to that line as close as you can to that center line, just like that. Like I said, roughly halfway across, about right there. That's about where I put mine. You could, it doesn't matter too much, you can change it up a little bit, but something like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm gonna bring that corner down. Now the paper's kind of thick, but just grab it, bring it in, push it down. And this is basically the collar of the t-shirt. Gonna smash that down, just like that. All right. Just about done. So the last step is we're going to take this bottom part here and just flip it up, and we're going to tuck it right behind that collar, just like that. Just stick it in there, and you can see that you have your t-shirt pretty much done. Now the only part left is to smash this bottom part down. So I do that while I'm pinching this together to keep it even, and just kind of smash this down. Just like that. Smash the bottom really good. And if you made those measurements, it should come out pretty even to where, as you can see on the bottom, you have this open pocket. And that's where we're gonna slide the pants into. So moving on to the second part of this model, we're gonna go ahead and do the pants, which are really easy to make. And we're gonna start with another $1 bill here. And we're going to start by just folding George on top here. We're going to fold it right in half. Get that alignment as close as possible. Crease it down really good. Open it up. Fold the long edges to the center here. Again, as close as possible. Just like that. Smash it down. Do the same on the other side. Bring it up. Smash it down on this side. All right. And then you're just going to fold it in half one more time. And to make the pants, we're just going to pick this up. We're going to flip this over and match the bottom part here together to where it's even. I'm going to flip that around so you can see. Fold it in half, match the bottom part, separate it a little bit to where there's a gap between the pant legs here, and just kind of smash this part down. And there's your pants. Pretty simple. Now you can just take your t-shirt, take your pants, slide them right up into the slot that's already there. You can push them in as far as you want. You can make like some real short pants or some longer pants. And there you have it. That's your Origami $2 pantsuit. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making some more videos here really soon. So if you have any ideas or suggestions for models you want to see, leave them in the comments below. And please smash that like button, the subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.